Here in the machine shop at Mercedes Formula One team, we focus on manufacturing metallic components for the race car and customer programs. We have 24 machine tools in total with 15 5-axis machines. We use high quality, lightweight metallic materials for our components, with the largest proportion being made from aluminium, which accounts for about 60% of our component types. Although we produce a high variety of component types, we largely focus on high value, highly complex products. With the demanding timescales that we face here at Mercedes Formula One team, it's essential that our components are right first time, and Vericut plays an essential part of this process. We've worked with Vericut for over 20 years, and during this time, they've helped us shape the development of the product to best suit our manufacturing needs. All our CNC programmers use Vericut as a standard part of their CAM process to validate the accuracy and safety of their CNC programs. Over the years that we've worked at CG Tech, we've always valued the service and support from the tech team that allows us to operate at the level we do here at Mercedes.